Tampa Bay Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins. Bobby, a little bit of clouds in the sky too, kind of like a spooky scene.
You're right. It looks fantastic. It looks really cool. They just started kind of rolling in tonight. They actually will thicken up a little bit at times over the next 24 hours. So tomorrow we'll kind of filter some sunshine from time to time. Our big story tonight, couple different weather impact alerts. Now, nothing severe, but one is on Sunday. It's our best chance for rain coming up, 30 to perhaps 40%. And that's coming through with a cold front, but that's right in the middle of the day, and that's number one on the weekend. Plus, we have the Bucks here, something for us to watch there. So that's a weather impact alert. And then the second one, near record temperatures for cold weather coming as we get in, especially Tuesday morning. In fact, I think of 30 to 40s for air temps Tuesday morning, but it'll be breezy at that time. It'll feel more like the low 30s. So hang in there. It's getting ready to get chilly. It won't last long, never does here, but it is going to get cold. That's not the case out there now. We're in generally the upper 60s to low 70s along the coast, but 60 in Brooksville, 66 in Lakeland, 71 in Tampa. Big difference there by the water. Now, there are the clouds coming in from the south and the west. No rain with these. There is a really small chance for a shower tomorrow. This stops at around, let's say, about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and you just see a mix of clouds and sun. These are high clouds more than anything else. And at times it will block the sun, but rain looks like it holds off. Now, as we get into Friday, you could see 1 or 2 little showers. That looks like a lot Friday morning. Holding off on this because the model's been flip-flopping a little bit, but I do have a 10% chance for a shower on Friday. By the way, best chance, again, is going to be on Sunday. Now, here's the moisture in the atmosphere increasing through Sunday. So that kind of sets the stage with that front to get here. It's got a little bit more moisture to work with, so slightly better chance for some rain. In fact, I do think we'll see 1 or 2 around on Saturday. It's only a 20% chance. It's not a lot of rain, but just keep that in mind for your Saturday plans. But you can see Sunday has the best coverage, and that could include a couple of thunderstorms in the mix. Although, as I mentioned, we don't expect severe weather, but anytime thunderstorms are coming through, we keep an eye on them for you. See that? That's heating of the day, showers and storms on Saturday. Looks a little overdone for me, but it's going to be there. Sunday, though, that's when the front itself is coming through. You can see the winds behind it coming out of the north and the west, and that is the coldest air that we've seen so far this season. But that's the reason for our weather impact alert on Sunday. That'll be clearing late Sunday night. So, forecast. Mid-60s for overnight lows, wake-up temps, right? Then tomorrow we're going to go low 80s. You can see, I think there'll be some 50s for northern Pasco, Hernando, and Citrus. 65 to wake up in Tampa. Sarasota, very similar. Tomorrow we go to about 81 degrees. Notice the clouds kind of thickening up. I think most areas stay dry, but again, 10% or less chance for a shower. These numbers, we topped out about 83 today. We'll be about 82 tomorrow, so it's not that much different, but a little less sunshine. And then here comes the cold air. Monday, Tuesday, wow, low 60. This is just the forecast model saying this, right? But look at the overnight lows Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning. Coldest air we've seen since spring, all right? In fact, I think it's since February. And if you look at some of the numbers, February 22nd was the last morning we had here in the 40s. All right, we will be in the 40s Tuesday morning. In fact, we're going right now around 45 degrees. But look at the mid-30s up north. And it's going to be breezy. I think windy on Monday, but breezy Tuesday morning. So Tuesday morning, this is what it's going to feel like. Lower to mid-30s with a wind chill out there. And there's going to be some snow with it. Not with us, but across the central and eastern half of the United States. And that even includes Ellijay, Blue Ridge, Helen. At least some flurries in these areas, not a lot, but there will be some snow adding up in places like Gatlinburg and the mountains of North Carolina. Ooh, it's a little early in the year for all of this, but it's Florida. It won't last very long. Watch out for those showers and storms on Sunday. We'll be updating you as we move closer towards the weekend. And again, we'll let you know just how cold that air is going to get for next week.